Honey, you want to get to Dollar Tree. I know it's time for me to go now. My sister, she wants some stuff from out of here. Honey, I gotta get up out of here. You know what? Dollar Tree is out here cutting up. They really cutting up. You know, they cutting up like nobody business. You see, they got the power stick for her Brazilian Miss non-foaming shave gel. I can't make this up. Honey, you want to stick around for this Dollar Tree haul. Oh, and they got more. What is... Honey, has they been playing in them? Okay. But it feels like it's a lot in here, but feels like something is missing. Okay, honey, I had to put my bag down to get ready to do this haul. Can't get the word do this video. Chill. Alright, we're gonna just jump straight into it and do it. Okay, now Dollar Tree has this twist right here. Okay, this is way more than $1.25. Way more. Okay, this is Hype It Up Weightless Refreshing spray. I had purchased this. I don't know if it was this one for my daughter, but if this is a detangler, honey, it works like nobody's business. Let's see what this is. Me Hype It Up Our Save Curl Foam Former. Oh, so no, this is not the detangler, but it says essential moisture for curls. Okay, this hydrates, revive, and define. Weightless. You can look this up. I guarantee you will not see it for $1.25 online. Okay, Dollar Tree has this for $1.25. Now, what really got me to come over here was this, because I said, what in the world is Dollar Tree doing? Now, Dollar Tree has this this condition. This is Curl Rhythm, Science of Curls, Hydrate and Cleansing Conditioner with boba, I think that is, shea, coconut, and that M-word. Okay, honey, you see it? All right there, M-word. Okay, sulfate-free co-wash. When I came in here, when I came through here, honey, was watching a kid on the moped in Dollar Tree. But when I came over here, I said, I just knew this was a name brand, okay? Now, I don't even know for sure, but it's giving me name brand vibes, okay? All right, Gentle Low Lather Cream Cleanser helps detangle, remove dirt and product buildup while retaining hair natural oils. Use daily or between shampoo days. No silicone or sulfates. Moisture level, and they have the moisture level on there. Ciao. All right, so we're gonna see what this do. Okay, it's $1.25. Oh, child, something is saying. No, honey, I'm only getting one. You know, you gotta talk to yourself like that. This smells good. This smells really good. All right, let's move on. Okay, family, so earlier when I purchased this, okay, I smelled something that smelled so good like vanilla, right? And it don't smell like vanilla, okay? It has a scent to it. I really can't put my finger on it. You know, sometimes the stuff, I don't know. Okay, but anywho, all right. I was saying, oh, it smelled really, really good. Honey, it was the EOS lotion that I had on, right? Like, but I don't know how I'm confused. Oh, well, maybe when I did like this. And I still can smell myself, okay? You know, not to be braggadocious, okay? I still can smell myself. But I thought this was really, really good. $15. Normally this would go for, okay, I went on Walmart website. Now, for two of these, it's $30, okay? So I was like, oh, so maybe for one, it's $15, okay? That's where I came up with 15. But I'm going to try this. After I take my curls, honey, after I take my braids out, I'm going to see how this do. Now, I'll be very mindful, you know, about the products and stuff I'll be putting on in my hair. But I used that twist before for my daughter that Dollar Tree had. That twist was amazing. Not that one. It's another one that they sell that it was really, really good for my daughter here, the detangle one. Really good. Alright, so get back to the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Let's say it again. Honey, it's a little chilly, a little cold. Your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Before we go inside the Dollar Tree, because just in case if you didn't see it, I want you to understand this, okay? I believe in you guys. Each and every one of you guys, and I know that you have what it takes to show up, whether it's because you want to be an artist, a singer, whatever it is, a content creator, whatever it is. I believe in you, but you're gonna need something other than someone else's belief. Okay, you're gonna have to start believing in yourself. You're gonna have to start showing up for yourself. The reason why people don't work hard, and they give all types of excuses. Oh, because I gotta work late at this job. Or, oh, because, you know, things in my life is going a certain type of way. Oh, they give all types of excuses, okay? But the reason why, the number one reason why people have a low self-esteem, lack of a self-image, they don't have a good self-image, okay? The reason why is because of unconditional love, all right? They felt like when they was a child, they wasn't loved, all right? Our parents or whomever did the best that they knew how to do, and you may feel like you have been cheated out of life, right? Like when growing up, like, oh, wow, my life couldn't be like the rest of the little kids' lives, or whatever it was, whatever you said. Now, you was cheated. You feel like you was cheated out of life. But why are you cheating yourself currently out of life today? You're a whole adult. You get to choose and decide how you want your life to be. You don't have to stay where you are, my love. And I believe in you. So you're going to start showing up, okay? I want these videos to get you so uncomfortable. And I mean uncomfortable in a way where as though you just have to take radical action. And I'm going to stay showing up, okay? Because that's how much I believe in you. Let's go inside Dollar Tree. Okay, so first up, Dollar Tree have these champagne glasses right here. These are really, really cute. They have the red underneath them. I absolutely like these wine glasses, okay? Really, really cute. $1.25. Wait, let's just... Oh yeah, $1.25. Now listen, I know you guys gonna like this video. You guys know I'm always bringing the heat that's gonna have you move your feet in these Dollar Tree hair streets. Okay? Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, because you don't want to miss out on these videos, on these lives. Oh, chill. Isn't she fancy? Okay, honey, it's kind of cold out here. Let's see what else they have in here. All right, so Dollar Tree has these Lysol Atlantic Fresh scents. Okay, 2-week freshness. These are $1.25. Something smells really good over here. This is a steal deal like Holyfield, okay? Now, they also have this game, which is $5. I absolutely love this. This is the Ultra Clean. Use this. I like the watermelon one better, though. It smells really, really good. Alright, so I had showed you guys this Power Foaming kitchen cleaner. I thought I got the bathroom cleaner. Oh, maybe I did get the kitchen cleaner. Honey, I be moving so fast. I don't know sometimes. Okay, so this is the pink grapefruit scent, and this is the dupe from, if you know, from Pink. Okay, honey, Dollar Tree should be the place called Doopity Doop. Another new cleaning item is the Power Foam and Carpet Cleaner. Heavy traffic, deep cleans, neutralizes odors. I didn't know they had the carpet child. Okay, so I absolutely love these pads right here, these sponges. These are really, really good for pots and stuff. So you get 2 for $1.25, Scrub Buddies. All right, remember we talked about the Maryland Monroe socks? I absolutely love these socks. It's 5 pairs for $1.25, which I think that is definitely a steal deal like Holyfield. They also have the slouch socks. I was looking for these once upon a time, okay, after they sold out at the Dollar Tree next to me. Oh, child, honey, do you hear the rhymes just rhyming on their own? Now, these slouch socks, I call these Richard Simmons socks. Okay, now these are $3, 3 pairs for $3, like $1 a pair. And I think they only have the white ones. Okay, so Dollar Tree has this right here, wrinkle away. But I had heard through the grapevine, if you take a fabric softener and you put it like in a spray bottle, an empty spray bottle, and I think just the fabric softener, not only will that release the wrinkles, but also it's going to smell absolutely good. Okay, now I heard that through the grapevine. Honey, I ain't tried it. You know, I just got to let you know. So don't you come to my comment section and say, I tried it and it don't work. Now, this Essentials Liquid Hand Soap Pomegranate, the Arm & Hammer. Okay, now, in stores, honey, you're not paying $1.25 for this. You paying, I believe it's like $5 or something. So, okay, but this is $1.25 at Dollar Tree, and you get a nice amount. Okay, pomegranate. I never tried this one though. Oh, honey, looks good. Really good. For $1.25, that's a steal deal like Holyfield. Alright, so I've been talking to you guys about the Amber Rogue Shower Gel, the notes of jasmine, saffron, and amberwood. This smells so good. It's $1.25. This is the only Dollar Tree that I've been to today. Okay, and a few days ago, the other Dollar Trees, they do not have no more of these. I don't know if they've been watching my videos, the people that live next to me or live like the tri-state area. Honey, look at her, okay? But honey, there is no more in the other Dollar Trees, but they definitely still have some here at Fairview. Okay, so when they said Dr. Bubble, this smells, well, Dr. Honey, whatever. I say Dr. Bubbles. I know this ain't Dr. Bubbles, but listen, when I tell you this smells like bubble gum. Okay, honey, just like bubble gum. Child. All right. I'm going to get my youngest daughter this. Well, my youngest son. Well, you know, it'll be for both of them. $1.25. And then they also have the Eve St. Clair pineapple papaya. I think I smelled this before, and it did smell like pineapple papaya. But, child, this smells just like a bubble gum. Spill reducing cap, no parabens, no sulfates, the biggest, longest bubble. All right, let's see how this is. Okay, so this Dollar Tree location, they too have the Freeman, okay, Energized Jelly Masks. These are all masks, which are $1.25. They also have over here more masks, okay, plumping gel mask, pore minimizing mud mask. Okay, so Dollar Tree is definitely doing it when it comes to Freeman with all the masks, and these are all $1.25. Alright, so let me get 2 bags of these chips. You guys know I am a sour cream girly. Okay, these taste so good. $1.25. Okay, so I'm gonna get her some of these Baby Ruths, honey, because I like these too. Alright, and these are $1.25, of course. But they also have the Crunchy Peanuts miniature cups. Ooh, these are new. Alright, wait, hold on, child, because they also have the Twix and the Snickers. Which one you guys like? if you had to get rid of one, right? If it was the Snickers, the Twix, the Kit Kats, or the Reese's, which one would you get rid of? Let me know in the comment section. This is fun. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these for my sister, okay? Maybe I have a couple too. Alright, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what was your favorite item in there. Mine was definitely the Curl Rhythm, okay? $1.25. Now, it was the cold wash, the conditioner thingy, but hey, alright, I want to see if it do what it's supposed to do. Now, I also got to see if it's a name brand, but I'm almost certain it is. Okay? Now, I'll let you guys know. Alright, with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and I see you on the next live.